Hi everyone, I'm Cherry with Missouri Star Quilt Company, and it is day 12 of the Jenny box. So let's see what we've got. Now let's see. Here we go. Ooh, I like this. I love a good zipper pouch, which I think most quilters do. So let's see what we've got in here. Nice. Look at this. It's got 3 different zippered sections. Looks like you can put your rotary cutters in here. A nice big main compartment. And then we've got a section for scissors and whatever you want to put in there. This is awesome. I love it. So this would be a great way to keep yourself organized or to even take on a quilt retreat. So get your sewing supplies together and we'll see you in Hamilton.